how to invest when market hits record high every day. This is the topic for our discussion today. When the market was crashing in Jan to March 2020, we released a video on how to invest during market crash and it worked beautifully. Though we couldn't invest all the cash we have saved for investing in a crash, the amount we invested using the strategy have really boosted the portfolio. So if you have been following us for last 1 year, you would have seen this result yourself. And 1 year later, now the market is hitting record highs every day. And I'm flooded with questions on how to invest in this rising market. Whether I should stop my SIP, whether I should reduce the amount in my SIP, these are all the questions that I get on a day-to-day basis. So I thought I'll put this in a video. So let's begin. Here is the simple answer to your question. Continue to follow the strategy that we have followed during the market crash. If you want, you can refer that video as well and stick to the same plan. If you want a detailed answer, let's go into the details. So first, stick to the basic rules that you have created while you started investing. Number one, I won't invest in any new stocks or mutual funds during this period. This is my rule number one. And rule number two, I will not deviate from my investment plan regardless of whatever news or whatever issues or whatever reasons that others bring up. I will stick to my plan no matter what. These are the basic rules that you need to follow as an investor. Second, you need to follow your investment strategy. For this, first you need to be disciplined. Develop a discipline of investing regularly. This is your regular monthly SIP. So you should create a regular monthly SIP and you should cultivate the habit of investing with discipline. If you have planned to invest through SIP for 5 years, don't stop your SIP or increase or decrease your SIP based on the market conditions. Let it be stable and continue it without any changes. If you have any additional amount for investing, invest it in any safe debt products and wait for the right opportunity. So this investment that you have done in your debt will be a separate corpus that will be ready to invest in case there is a crash or correction. Let's see it in detail. What is the plan that we need to follow during a minor correction or a small crash? So I have clearly written down what I will do if market crashes or corrects 10, 20, 30, 40 or 50 percentage from now, and I will blindly follow it during market crashes or corrections. I won't even hesitate for a second to invest when this happens. That is why I have written it down and I will follow it no matter what. So when market is down by 10 percentage from its all-time high, I will increase my monthly investment by 50 percentage by manually buying the stocks or mutual funds on the same day 10 percentage breached and until market moves back about 10 percentage mark. So in case if market drops from the current position and it went down by 10 percentage from its all-time high, I will increase my investment by 50 percentage. As simple as that. And I will continue to do that every month until market moves back above the 10% mark. So this is the plan when the market is down by 10 percentage. And if market is down by 10 percentage for few months, I will continue to inject this 50 percentage of monthly investment manually every month. Likewise, when market crashes 20 percentage, I'll double my monthly investment by manually buying stocks or mutual funds on the same day 20 percentage is breached and until market moves above 20 percentage. I'm reiterating this once again. This is not just one time cash injection. So if market stays below 20 percentage for the next few months, then I will be doubling my SIP in all those months as well. Likewise, when market is down 30 percentage, I'll triple my investment by manually buying stocks or mutual funds on the same day 30 percentage is breached and until market moves back above the 30 percentage mark. And likewise, when market is down by 40%, I'll increase my monthly investment 5 times by manually buying stocks on mutual funds on the same day 40% is breached, and every month until market moves above 40% mark. And when market is down by 50%, I'll invest 50 to 75% of my entire debt corpus or cash immediately in stocks and mutual funds and have the remaining corpus for investing during the recovery. So market is falling and I have invested chunks of amount when it falls to 10%, 20%, 30% and 40%. And if it reaches 50%, I will invest 50 to 75% of my total remaining corpus and will have the remaining ready to invest when market goes back up again. So you need to be investing regularly during the recovery phase as well. That is very, very important. So that's the reason behind investing 50 to 75% of corpus alone. You may ask, why can't I invest everything when a market reaches 50% and why should I wait for recovery to invest the remaining amount? In case if market goes down further, you can use the remaining cash to invest at the lows again. For example, if it falls by 60%, you'll have some more money to invest at that period. So this is the system I follow, but that doesn't mean you have to follow it as well. You can modify the system according to your risk profile. For example, if market falls by 10%, I'll increase my SIP by 10%. You can plan it on your own risk profile as well. So that is the beauty of this particular plan, and it works even during crash. It works even during market hitting all-time high. Just keep doing your SIP and have the remaining amount in a proper debt instrument, the low risk safe debt instrument, and it should be liquid as well. And when there is an opportunity to invest more, you can pull that corpus and you can put it in equity. So that is how you should be doing. Just because market is hitting all-time high, right? Don't stop investing, don't redeem if you are a long-term investor. I'm not talking about people who invest for a short-term or people who invest without any proper goal or without any proper plan. If you are a long-term investor, if you want to grow wealth in a long run, then you should sit tight and continue with your SIP and have a plan ready whenever market provides you with an opportunity. When market goes down, when a dip is there, you can invest additional cash. So again, you should have a system in place, otherwise you won't be able to do it. You will be fearful and you won't be able to invest additional cash. A lot of people missed out when market went down in March 2020 because some of them were fearful that market will fall further, and some of them were greedy that it will go down further and they can invest there. But I clearly indicated that I will follow the plan no matter what. Yes, even I couldn't invest all the money that I had, but that is okay. I followed a plan that I already had in place. I never panicked in any situation. So that is how any long-term investor should be in my perspective. So moving on, right? We have talked about 10% drop, 20% drop, 30% drop, and all those stuffs, right? So if you want to have a quick check on these Nifty levels at any point in time, and if you want to see how much market has fallen from the peak, you can check our website anytime. So there is a separate page called Nifty Investment Levels. So you can have a look. It is a live feed. So I'll leave the link to that particular page in the description section of this video. If you want, you can bookmark it and you can visit it whenever you find there is a dip happening and how much it has fallen. You can do it in a simple Excel as well, but if you want, right, you can just bookmark it and refer it whenever you want. And as promised, we have created a separate Telegram channel for investment alerts. So based on the plan that I have mentioned here, all the alerts are completely automated. So I don't have to manually check any of these levels anytime. If market falls down by 10%, I'll automatically get an alert in my Telegram channel. I'll just go and blindly invest additional money. And the amount that I need to invest is also mentioned in the Telegram channel. So the alert will do everything for me. I can just go ahead and invest that particular money. I don't have to manually watch it. So that is the beauty of this investment alert channel. If you are interested, you can join the channel as well. I'll leave the link to the channel in the description section of this video as well. The channel name is Investment Alerts. So that is all I had for today. If you find this video useful, you can hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.